Sometimes some of the things that wood turners have been doing for a long time become obvious, but they're not so obvious necessarily for beginners. So this is my very quick 1 minute guide to finding the centre of a bowl blank. Right, we have here a standard it's about 5-inch piece of wood, and we need to find the centre to this. The centre is important because it's for two things. You're going to get the biggest bowl blank out of the piece of wood as possible. Plus, when it's actually on the lathe, it's going to be less wobbly and a lot easier to turn. So we use a thing called a centre finder. Here you have a V-shaped groove. You've actually got one on both sides for different size bowl blanks. What you do, you then slide it up onto the piece of wood. If you notice, we've got a straight edge here. So slide it up onto the piece of wood, and with a pencil just mark it along the straight edge. Do this maybe 3 times, and where the points converge in the middle, that is your centre. Right, what happens though when your bowl blank is bigger than the centre finder? And the centre finder becomes useless. Find a steel ruler. This bowl blank is 12 inches, so just take a measurement and a number lower than 12. So let's take 10, nice and easy. So put the corner of the ruler on the edge here at 0, and then just anywhere on the bowl blank, come down to 10. So we're going to measure 10 inches across the bowl blank. Half of 10 is 5, so where we got 5 inches, just make a little line. Anywhere else on the blank, again, corner, drop it down to 10 inches, draw a line, mark halfway, 5. Next one, anywhere you get again, this is 3, drop it down to 10, across, halfway, 5. Now, with this end of the ruler, which is at 90 degrees, line this up on the line at the halfway mark, and draw a line. Again, on this piece, halfway mark on the point, draw a line. This one, halfway point on the line, draw a line. Where they converge, there you go. That is your centre.